Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm just going to hop right into it. I tried looking for a new set of these at Dollar Tree, but I could not find them. So I'm just going to reuse these and I'm going to take them outside along with my wood blocks to spray paint them with my good old silver metallic spray paint. I'm spray painting a total of 50 wood blocks, and once everything is all dry, I'm going to go over it with my clear Mod Podge acrylic sealer. A little bit of spray paint definitely got onto my mirror, so I'm going to get that off with some acetone and a Q-tip. If you are not new here, then you know I love these rectangular mirror tiles, and I'm going to glue them to both sides of my wood blocks using my E6000 glue and a little bit of hot glue. These mirror tiles are self-adhesive, but they are not strong enough to hold over time without using any glue. I leveled the mirror tiles at one end of the wood block, and then the other end, the mirror tiles are hanging off by an inch. I'm adding E6000 glue and hot glue to the bottom half of my mirror tile, and then I'm going to stick it to the side of my mirror. And I'm making sure that I add the glue to the bottom half with the mirror tiles hanging off by an inch. I'm adding extra glue to secure my wood pieces. This is the inspiration photo for project number 1, and this is how it turned out. This was very quick and easy to make, but yet time consuming with cleaning the mirror tiles off. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. For project number 2, I went on ahead and spray painted all my wood blocks off camera, and I'm just gluing all my blocks together in a pattern, so just keep on watching. Now I'm using those same mirror tiles, and I'm going to glue them down exactly the way the wood block is facing. There is some small gaps, but the majority of them will be covered up with the mirror tiles. I'm not just sticking these mirror tiles on. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I already added the E6000 glue to the back of these mirror tiles. And just like that, I have this beautiful wall decor. Comment below and let me know what y'all think. For project number 3, I'm gluing 4 blocks together at a time. Then I'm going to glue multiple pieces together just like this and then glue them all together. Then glue the mirror tiles down, following the shape of the blocks. I am now using this Gorilla Glue because I ran out of the E6000 glue. This was super easy to make, but yet a little time consuming, but definitely worth it. Comment below and let me know what y'all think.